Hi folks, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In our video here, we're going to take a look at the parathyroid glands. I am going to use this image from the A&P OpenStax book because we don't currently have a model in our lab with the parathyroid glands. It's also important for us to note the thyroid gland because the parathyroid glands are going to be found on its posterior side. That's what we're looking at here. We're looking at the thyroid gland in a posterior view. We can go ahead and see our thyroid gland here. I'll go ahead and label that for us. And then on the back side, we can see these small oval-shaped structures, and those are the parathyroid glands. Fix my H there. And I will label them on either side for us.